Your home's drainage system is like its circulatory system, quietly working behind the scenes to keep everything flowing smoothly. But when a clog strikes, that can cause water damage, leading to a major headache. Your home has several types of drains, each serving a unique purpose. House drains carry wastewater from sinks, tubs, and appliances to the main sewer line. Floor drains, often found in basements, garages, and laundry rooms, prevent flooding by channeling water away. Perimeter drains, also known as drain tile or French drain, run around your home's foundation to keep groundwater out. And finally, sewer drains, which connect your home to the municipal sewer system or a septic tank. Knowing where these drains are and what they do is the first step toward effective maintenance. Drain issues often start small and go unnoticed until something serious happens. Watch for these red flags: slow drainage or gurgling sounds in the house drains, standing water around floor drains, damp patches in the yard close to the foundation, foul odors or backups from sewer drains. Ignoring these signs can lead to flooding, structural damage, or even cause a health hazard. If you notice a recurring clog, sewage smells, or water damage, it's time to call a professional like KC's Plumbing. We use custom drain cameras to inspect hidden blockages, hydro jetting to blast away stubborn buildup in a perimeter drain, replacement for old sewer lines damaged by tree roots or collapsed beyond repair. Drain cleaning isn't just about unclogging pipes, it's about protecting your home, your health, and peace of mind. Call us at 604-873-3753 or visit www.kcplum.ca.